As we step into September 2024, Bitcoin finds itself in a precarious position, trading around the $59,000 mark, having experienced an 8% decline over the past week. This downturn has intensified concerns among investors, especially as September is historically known to be a challenging month for the cryptocurrency. Matrixport, a leading digital assets platform, has issued a cautionary note highlighting several key factors that could put additional downward pressure on Bitcoin throughout the month. The platform points to the performance of the U.S. tech sector, decisions from the Federal Reserve, and the upcoming U.S. presidential debates as significant influences that could shape Bitcoin's price trajectory. One of the most intriguing observations from Matrixport is the strong correlation between Bitcoin and AI giant NVIDIA, particularly from late 2022 through the second quarter of 2024. Both assets have shown remarkable synchronicity, with Bitcoin closely following the trends in AI stocks. However, in recent months, Bitcoin has lagged behind the AI rally, particularly as NVIDIA outperformed expectations. This divergence suggests that Bitcoin may be in for a deeper correction, especially considering that both assets are now making lower highs. The recent 8% drop in NVIDIA's shares, despite the company exceeding Q2 earnings expectations, was mirrored by a similar decline in Bitcoin's price. This correlation hints at broader market dynamics that could continue to influence Bitcoin's performance in the coming weeks. The fact that Bitcoin experienced a substantial drop despite significant inflows into spot ETFs adds another layer of complexity to the current market environment. In addition to the tech sector's influence, macroeconomic factors are also at play. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has hinted at potential interest rate cuts, which traditionally would be seen as a positive for Bitcoin. However, Matrixport's analysis reminds us that the relationship between interest rates and Bitcoin is not always straightforward. For instance, during the 2018 to 2019 rate hiking cycle, Bitcoin struggled, only to rally when the Fed paused rate increases. When rates were eventually cut, Bitcoin saw a brief rally followed by a gradual decline, with the trend interrupted only by further rate cuts. This historical pattern suggests that even if the Fed cuts rates this year, Bitcoin's response could be mixed, introducing a significant degree of uncertainty. The upcoming U.S. presidential election further complicates the picture. The crypto community has shown a preference for a Trump presidency, believing it could be more favorable for Bitcoin. However, with Vice President Kamala Harris gaining substantial support, her campaign adds another layer of unpredictability to Bitcoin's future performance. The outcome of the election could significantly impact regulatory approaches to cryptocurrencies, potentially influencing market sentiment and Bitcoin's price. Looking ahead, Bitcoin's technical analysis offers some clues about its potential direction. The critical level to watch is $60,000, which has become a significant resistance point. If Bitcoin can break through this level, it could regain some of the bullish momentum that has been lost over the past few weeks. However, continued consolidation below this level could dull investor enthusiasm, potentially leading to further losses. Moreover, the warm supply realized price, currently at $66,000, is another crucial metric to monitor. This price represents the average purchase price of Bitcoin held by investors who have been inactive for 1 to 3 months. If Bitcoin can stay above this level, it would signal a positive trend, potentially setting the stage for a strong Q4 rally. Conversely, if the price dips below $66,000 and remains there, it could indicate the beginning of a prolonged bear market as suggested by analyst Ali Martinez. Adding to the complexity is the historical performance of Bitcoin in September. In some years, this month has acted as a period of consolidation before a significant upward move in Q4, as seen in 2020. However, in other years, September has marked the end of bull runs, leading to corrections as investors take profits ahead of uncertainties in the final quarter. In summary, September 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal month for Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency is facing a confluence of risk factors that could drive its price in either direction. Investors should keep a close eye on the $60,000 and $66,000 levels, as these will likely be key indicators of Bitcoin's near-term trajectory. Whether we see a continuation of the current correction or the beginning of a new rally into Q4, the coming weeks will be crucial in determining Bitcoin's path forward.